Hello everyone, my name is Ayush. Today I will be guiding you through the fascinating world of robotics and automation, highlighting current trends and future direction that are reshaping industry and society around the globe. Welcome to this session on how robotics and automations are fundamentally changing every sector from manufacturing to healthcare. Together, we will look at the present state of these technologies and where they are headed next. The robotics industry is booming with the global market surpassing $50 billion in 2025. Automated facilities have seen productivity soar by 35% on average, and 87% of companies now see robotics as a vital driver of innovation. Automation is transforming entire sectors, proving its value as a key investment. Three main forces are accelerating this shift: advances in AI that gives robots greater intelligence, global labor shortage that makes automation critical, and rising demands for customization, requiring more flexible production process. These forces are reshaping not just manufacturing but logistic and service industry as well. At the core of robotics are several enabling technologies. AI and machine learning allow robots to make adaptive decisions. Computer vision lets them see and process their environment, and advanced sensors provide real-time, precise data about the world around them. Together, these create robust, intelligent robotic systems. Plug and produce solutions are making it easier than ever to implement automation. These are standardized turnkey packages offering quick return on investment, simple setup, and scalability. Thanks to this solution, even small and mid-sized businesses can now access industrial-grade automation and grow with demand. Collaborative robots represent the future of workplace collaboration designed for human-robots interaction. They are safe to work alongside and are now being used not just in manufacturing but also in areas like healthcare and retail. Small and medium enterprises are increasingly adopting collaborative robots for their versatility and efficiency. Safety is a paramount in automation. Robots now come with advanced sensor that uses AI to detect human presence and adapt instantly, reducing the risk of accident. Evolving safety standards and ergonomic designs further reduces strain on workers, making the workplace safer and more supportive. AI-driven robots process information in real time, enabling rapid decision making. They also adapt to new environment and tasks on the fly, thanks to the feedback from their surrounding. Predictive maintenance powered by AI allows machine to anticipate and prevent failure, minimizing downtime and extending equipment life. Robots now uses advanced computer vision and sensor like LiDAR, infrared to detect defects, identify products, and navigate complex spaces. These advances expand their capabilities for precision picking, material handling, and quality inception, making automated system more aware and reliable than ever. In manufacturing, automation means robots perform complex assembly with precision, conduct AI-based quality inception, and manage logistics within facilities. This leads to 40% fewer error, increased throughput by 30%, and significantly boost workplace safety. In healthcare, AI-powered robot assist surgeons in performing precise, minimally invasive operations. Robots also automate pharmacy operations for error-free medication dispensing and help patients with rehabilitation. Includes remote monitoring via telepresence robot. Logistics centers increasingly rely on robots for picking, sorting, and packing thousands of orders with minimal error. Inventory is managed in real time by autonomous system, while material transport and last mile delivery are being revolutionized by AGVs, drones, and self-driving vehicles. Emerging application in agriculture includes AI-driven precision harvesting and monitoring, which reduces manual labor, maximizes crop yields, and ensures food safety. Robotics is extending its reach to new industry every year. Humanoids now display greater dexterity and mobility, handling customer services, healthcare assistant, and more. As these robots progress, we expect to see them take on broader roles in elder care, education, and home assistant, even as we develop ethical guidelines for their integration. Robots are now 40% more energy efficient than previous generation, and precise automation reduces material waste. AI manages energy usage smartly and assists in maintaining renewable energy infrastructure, supporting global sustainability goals. Despite progress, challenges remains. High integration costs can be barrier for small companies, cybersecurity risk requires robust protection, and the industry faces a significant skill gaps. Addressing these requires innovation through modular system, better training, and improved security measures. Most improvements in robotics technology have been evolutionary, not revolutionary. The industry focuses on precise, steady advances in performance, speed, and intelligence, refining what works rather than constantly reinventing. Looking ahead, we expect to see the rise of swarm robotics, groups of robots working together, soft robotics for making adaptable manipulation, and robots operating in extreme environments like space and deep sea. Self driving vehicles and drones will be becoming even more autonomous. Future robots will learn and adapt on their own, expanding into unpredictable settings like disaster response. As robots take on more complex tasks, societies will need to adapt, devising labor market and regulatory framework considering ethical impacts. In summary, robotics and automations are making industry smarter, safer, and more sustainable. The integration of AI is powering this evolution, while the future promises closer human robot collaboration and great adaptability. Ongoing innovation will continue to reshape global industry, requiring all of us to adapt thoughtfully. So, at last, I have created an AI generated video on robotics and automation where you can see its current trends and future direction.
Alright, let's talk about robots. Not the kind from movies that want to take over the world, but the real ones. Machines that are quietly reshaping the way we live in 2025. First off, let's talk about your home. Remember when robot vacuums were a novelty? Now they're just the start. We've got smart fridges that know when you're out of milk, kitchen bots that prep your meals, and even robotic lawnmowers that keep your yard looking fresh without you lifting a finger. It's like having a silent team of helpers, 24/7. But homes are just the tip of the iceberg. Factories have become almost unrecognizable. Where humans used to build cars and gadgets by hand, now robotic arms powered by artificial intelligence make the process faster, safer, and way more precise. And here's the wild part. These robots can learn on the job, adapting to new products and fixing their own mistakes. The result? Products get better, prices drop, and injuries on the job are way down. Now, let's step outside. Delivery robots are rolling down city sidewalks, bringing groceries and takeout right to your door. Drones buzz overhead, dropping off packages in minutes, not days. And in hospitals, robotic assistants are helping doctors with surgeries that once seemed impossible, making cuts so precise recovery times are shorter and outcomes are better. So, what's next? Well, in 2025, the biggest trend is collaboration. Robots aren't replacing us. They're working with us. We call them cobots, and they're designed to handle the repetitive, boring, or dangerous parts of a job while humans focus on creativity and problem solving. Think of it as the ultimate tag team. Of course, with all this progress, there are big questions like, what happens to jobs? The truth is, some roles disappear, but new ones are popping up just as fast. People who know how to work with robots, program them, or repair them, they're in demand. And let's not forget the potential. Robotics and automation are opening doors to things we never thought possible. Self-driving cars, disaster relief with rescue drones, even exploring deep space. The pace is only speeding up. So, if you're a tech enthusiast, now is the time to pay attention. The robots aren't coming, they're already here. And together, we're building a future that's smarter, safer, and maybe even a little more fun. Thanks for watching. If you're curious about where robotics goes next, stick around. I'll keep you updated.
Thank you for joining me on this exploration of robotics and automation, where we are today, where we are going, and how all of us will play a part in this exciting journey. Thank you.